Today we received an iPhone 11 Pro. It has a problem with the top ear speaker which is not working.
Downside working but upside not working.
At first, we are checking with another ear speaker.
No, it's not working.
This one is not working. We are assuming the problem is with the motherboard top speaker baseband. We will be back after the intro. Detaching the motherboard from the phone body. Place the motherboard in iPhone 11 Pro motherboard heating system and set the temperature to 180. After a few minutes. Now completely detach both layers of the motherboard. We will work on the logic board layer, U5000 speaker chip. So we are checking the U5000 chip connectivity layout on the computer, which will help us to solve the problem easily. Now go to microscope with the U5000 section. We are going to re-establish this pin connectivity. Firstly, hit up the pinpoints through a hot gun, for cleaning those points. During the heat up process, use a shield to protect others' components. After the heat and cleaning process, now installing new pinpoints plate on the board using a soldering paste. After that, now checking the motherboard using iSocket. Only ear speaker is installed with the board. It's working. So we are going to attach the motherboard layers through iPhone 11 Pro motherboard heating system. Set the temperature 180 degrees. After the attachment of board layers. Now install the motherboard to the phone body. Now installation and assembly are completed. Checking the phone. Great. The speaker is working fine. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, hit the like button, and comment in the comment section.